use Canva on ChatGPT. So what you will do is first click Explore GPTs and here type in Canva and you have to press the first link and start chatting, and you can ask anything you want. Like these are some examples. So I'm gonna write inspirational poster for my coffee shop. So what this is going to do is it is going to create a poster in Canva that we can edit. So this will give us an option that we can use for design. So here is an example. So these are the options they have given. So what you can do is you can click it and it will go straight into a Canva account and you can edit anything you want from here.